Good morning, students. Now, our second chapter, microorganism, plant and food. So, microorganism, as the that name is micro. Micro means tiny. Organism means living organism. So, these are very tiny organisms which we cannot see by naked eyes. So, for seeing, observing these microorganisms, we can see under the microscope. Then we can see these microorganisms. Now, the study of microorganisms is called microbiology. Study of microorganisms is called microbiology. And Leeuwenhoek was the first scientist who has given microorganisms the name microbes. Now, microorganisms are 5 types: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, and virus. There are different types of microorganisms as you can see in the picture. Here, firstly, these are the bacteria. Bacteria are of different shape. They are of spherical shape, they are of rod shaped, they are of that comma shape. So these rod shaped bacteria are known as bacilli, and spherical bacteria are known as cocci. Spirilla is the bacteria is a spiral form, and Vibrio are look like a comma. Now other here we are seeing here they are algae, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra. These are microorganisms also. We can observe them under the microscope. Second is protozoa, which are the unicellular organism, amoeba, paramecium. They both are protozoa. Third is fungus, bread mold. If you will be see the bread, it will be keep for a few days in a wet place, then you can see such kind of green patches. If we will be take these green patches under the microscope, we can see such kind of structure in the under the microscope. Now, penicillium, aspergillus, this is a fungus also. So these all are the microorganisms. Here it is a virus. Virus, it looks like this, which is having a protein coat, viral genome, neck and collar, and these are known as tail fiber. Now, where are microorganisms live? They live everywhere, but we cannot see them. Now, we will discuss one by one about the all microorganisms. Firstly, I will tell about the bacteria. Bacteria, you can see bacteria, some bacteria are useful and some are harmful. So, firstly we will discuss about the useful bacteria, Lactobacillus bacterium. Lactobacillus bacterium promote setting of curd. Second, Rhizobium notatum help in nitrogen fixation. Rhizobium lives in the nodules of the plant. Then fungi. Fungi yeast uses in fermentation, and the process of large scale of the process of conversion of sugar. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. What is the fermentation? You can see in your home also. How when you have seen your mom cook, you make bhatura. She keep in the dough of maida some put of some that baking soda. Yeah, she use their warm water and curd also. So it can increase here CO2 when the yeast develops there in that water. If yeast develop there, they grow CO2, and we can see the level of dough. It will be just double of that for making the dosa also. So this is a fermentation process. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation first in 1857. So this is fermentation. Microorganisms help in the production of antibiotic also, and the medicines which kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms are called antibiotic. So these antibiotics were also discovered from fungus. Penicillium notatum was the first fungus which was used for making penicillium. Penicillin. Now, the first antibiotic was penicillin, which was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 19 29. Some antibiotics are streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin. Now, here we will discuss about protozoa. Protozoa, as I have told, amoeba and paramecium. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, they are unicellular organisms which live into the water, and we can observe them under the microscope also. Now, algae, some algae, blue-green algae, they help in nitrogen fixation because they live on the root of the plants. Algae are simple plant and they have no root, no stem, and no leaves. So some algae I have told you now: Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, and Nosto. Now their uses are blue-green algae help in nitrogen fixation, and second is iodine is produced by Laminaria. Laminaria is a marine an algae which found into the sea, and it is used for making iodine. Now virus, they are also very tiny organisms which we cannot see by naked eyes. Viruses are found inside the cell of plants, animals, and human beings. Or if the virus live inside the body of living body, so they replicate and grow more and more virus here, replicate, and they are copying there, and that virus, they are causing the polio, AIDS means full form of AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is caused by HIV virus. HIV is a virus which causes AIDS, and the full form of HIV is human immunovirus. And some more diseases which are caused by the virus, they are cold, chickenpox, flu, measles. Now what is coronavirus? These all are caused by the virus. But viral disease cannot be treated by antibiotics, but bacterial disease can be treated by antibiotics.